This is the solution to x 0, 1, 0. Okay, so let's do them piece by piece. So in the first place, I'll associate 8w and also 3w. So parentheses have been put around them. Then 8w means w plus 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 of them, and then plus w plus w plus w. Okay, now because addition is associative, we can drop the parentheses so that it will be w plus 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 w. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. W plus w plus w. So that is to say that this 8w was expanded into this. This 3w was expanded into that. Then we dropped the parentheses to get to here. That's a use of the associative property. And then counting those 11 w's, there's 11 of them, so that would be 11 w. So of course it works exactly like you think. But the point is that you have to show all of the little bits. So this question is exactly the same, except the operation, instead of being repeated add, it's going to be repeated multiply. So we associate this y to 6, and then multiply by y to 8. And, well, y to exponent 6 actually means make 6 copies of y and multiply them all together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then multiplied by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So expanded that into repeated multiplication. So then this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So those 6 are those 6 up to there, and then there's 8 more, so counting all of those, there's 14 of them. Well, that's y to 14 then. Okay. All right. So the fact that that has exponent 3 means that this needs to be repeated 3 times. So we have x squared y multiplied by x squared y multiplied by x squared y. Then, well, we can drop the parentheses to get x squared y times x squared y times x squared y. Then we can get x, y, because x squared means xx, times x, y times x, y. Now we've got it down to individual products, but now we need to commute things into the right order. So I'll give myself some vertical space. So that would be x, 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 and then y, y, y. So what went where? So this at xx went there. This xx went there. And this xx went there. This y there, this y there, and this y there. So that's the commutation. Then we can reassociate to get x, 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 blah, 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 x multiplied by y, y, y. But now we can simplify that. That's x to 6, y to 3. So that's just, you could write it simply as x to 6, y to 3.